Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have XIAOMI 14T Pro and I want to show you how to add remove magnification to this device. To add it, open settings application, in it scroll and choose additional settings selection where we have accessibility. Now we tap on our vision and there we must choose magnification, which is off. Our shortcut is off. Now we must turn on it, confirm by OK, and we have our shortcut, which position we can easily change. Tap and swipe with it on screen to select place when we want. To zoom our screen, tap on our shortcut and tap on screen. When you use two finger, you can change position of that. You can also zoom on or zoom out it. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.